It's time to play Ram Password. Now, here is your host, Cecilia.
Welcome to Ram Password. I'm your host, Cecilia Okafor, and we're going to introduce our players starting from the left.
Hi, I'm Darian.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm Solomon.
I'm Charlie.
All right, y'all, so y'all get the game, y'all know, but I'm gonna go over the rules for y'all. It's 4 simple rules, okay? Rule number 1, get your partner to say the password using one-word clues. All right, rule number 2, you can't use any part of the password in your clue, because if you do, I'ma check it. Rule number 3, the team with the most points at the end will win, and rule number 4, absolutely no cheating. Y'all good? Y'all got it?
Yes.
Sound simple enough?
Yes. Is there a time limit?
Yes, 20 seconds.
Okay.
20-second time limit. All right, but before we begin, tell them what they're going to be playing for, Johnny.
Why, it's a Ram Password Home Edition game. Invite your family. Invite your friends. It's fun for all. And look what's inside the box. You get a spinner. You get password cards. And it can all be yours if you win today's game. Back to you, Cecilia.
All right, so we're going to be starting with my girl right over here. We're going to start with the left this time.
The password is mountain.
Point value is at 6.
Oh.
None of that. Time starts now.
Valley.
Mountain.
I feel like he saw a card.
This is the way the game goes. That was good, you know. That was a great clue.
Okay.
And you really thought about, All right.
Okay.
So we got 6-0, right? I don't know. It's something about the left side. Something about the left side is,
I did.
it's something about the left side.
The password is doll.
Feeling all right today.
Take a look at the card.
So to make sure you're
All
not
right.
cheating.
Your time start now.
Barbie.
Dog.
There we go. There we go. That was a warm-up round. Y'all getting it. Y'all getting
No,
it.
y'all good with y'all A game today, huh?
Yeah, 6 and 6. 6 and 6. We back on the inside.
Okay.
The password is ghost.
Scared.
Terrified.
Halloween.
No, only one game.
Okay. Sorry.
Hey.
I'm sorry. I didn't
Don't
know.
make me start deducting
Okay.
points. I don't want to do it.
Sorry.
You got it.
Sorry.
Ready? Haunted.
Ghost.
There we go. There we go. So
He kinda
6 and
probably took
11.
the Halloween word.
Right.
6 and 11. I thought somebody was
That
going to say
ain't my
Casper.
Oh, Casper would have been good.
Yeah, that would have been a good one too. That ain't my fault though.
Ooh, sorry. All right. Starting with you.
The password is drop.
Okay, you gotta speed it.
Parachute. It's kind of hard though.
We over here.
It's kind of hard though.
Yeah, look. I.
I?
Yeah, it's like
I?
no, like this one.
It is hard though.
It don't go with his parachute. It's just, oh,
That was a
too
little
much.
bit, but say yeah.
I would just because of the clue.
I? Like a red eye?
Rain.
Sky.
Wait, what did you just say?
Rain.
Rain. Oh, like rain. I mean,
What's the point count so far? Cause we done been
it's
back.
over at 3 now.
Okay.
3. Okay. So.
Oh, this is actually harder. Than
Yeah, I
thought.
know. I don't know anything. A car.
It is hard.
Y'all are not helping. Y'all are just making it worse. Y'all are not
Yeah,
helping.
y'all can.
Y'all not helping.
No. Like,
No, it's like
you said car?
Car?
yeah. You'll understand.
Like a car?
Yeah.
It don't even matter.
Oh.
We over here.
Oh
I don't know
man.
anything.
What you got, Charlie?
Dang.
I got really sick.
Ball.
You said
Think about everything we said. Ball.
Time's up. 1 point.
Y'all hear the word. Y'all can be thinking about it in a minute.
I am lost.
You just heard his clue, right? Now release. Like release. Release.
This was actually a lot harder.
He
than what I
said
thought.
ball.
Ball.
And I said release. You're releasing the
Okay, nobody gets a point. The word was
it
drop.
was drop.
Raindrop. I drop. I
Yo, hey, fool.
drop. You know how hard it was harder than
Rain was good. I thought
was
you
a
were
lot
gonna get
harder.
raindrop, but I drop was a little. And I said car because I was thinking drop top. Like
Oh,
Okay.
no.
That was a lot harder
You
than
did,
what it seemed.
you did a lot with that one.
I couldn't think of nothing.
The password is superhero.
Back and forth is crazy.
Yeah.
Black Panther.
White Panther. Africa.
First of all, wait
No.
a minute. First of all, that was 2 words, man.
It was.
Oh, it was?
Thank you for bringing that to my attention. Yeah, girl, you got to be a little bit, you know, one word. Don't make me start deducting points. I don't want to do it. All right, it's on you.
I didn't even know.
That's not fair.
Marvel.
Superhero.
Pretty good, pretty good.
I was about to say a double word too. I was
I'm like, please don't.
Black Panther. Oh, yeah, I guess. I was thinking name.
Where we at, inside or outside?
Outside.
The password is splash.
So,
I think that's what it is. Time starting
it's
now.
all good.
Pool.
Sweat.
Good guess, though.
Jump.
Dive.
Good guess, though.
That's what I was gonna say too.
Point value is 4.
Actually, dang.
Damn. You had to say that.
Yeah, they did. You gotta hurry up though.
Children. Put it all together.
Don't. No assist.
Okay, oh, my bad.
We back to you. 3 points.
Belly.
Watch it. Watch it.
My word is belly, but I think you know what comes. I think you can use your context clues for what I was about to say.
Belly flop.
No, it's too late. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
And that wasn't the word.
That was just the clue.
Kick it to me
We got
straight,
about
bro.
2 points left.
Kick it to me straight, bro.
Diving?
Did somebody already say
Somebody
that?
already said that.
Oh, somebody did.
I mean, you can still reuse it, but.
Like, she tried it as an answer.
All right, that was the clue. Do you have a guess before your time?
Board?
No.
My goodness, dude.
Last
Oh, my
chance.
God.
They ain't gonna catch up with this one.
Ooh, don't get arrogant.
Oh,
Don't get comfortable.
oh.
That's how I lost last semester.
Let's see.
Splish.
Wait.
Whoa. Cancel it out. It's over. It's over. No, my yoga didn't count. No.
Johnny,
No.
no, we're not doing
Nah, that one definitely don't count.
First of all,
Those are 2 different words.
Johnny,
No,
which
but they
is
go
not
together.
a real word.
Y'all play and yoga go together, don't it?
Johnny,
It was splash.
I'm gonna have to consult with you.
That's why I think of pool,
I'm
children.
not with that one.
Nah,
You can't use 2 words. Well, I would have said diving board. So.
What you think, Johnny?
Oh no.
Apparently it's good.
No.
Yes, splish.
All right,
He
Johnny,
lying,
what's
he
our
lying,
score now?
he lying.
I know that was only worth like 1 point, so it's like what?
Don't listen.
Nah, he's lying. Look at him. He's
Like
lying.
6 and 15?
It don't matter though.
Why y'all jumping?
When it was us, y'all didn't care. Look, he lying. Look at him. He trying to get him. Nah. Nah, look at him. Look.
You can't trust it.
It was 1
Technically,
point.
she said splash after the beat went off.
So it don't count. Swish is too close anyway, though. Nah, Johnny don't want you much.
I'm telling you, Johnny, you got some favoritism going on, bro. It's all right, though.
The password is Europe.
Appreciate you, Johnny.
France.
Tower?
No. You said tower? Mm-hmm. No. You good.
Continent.
Europe.
My boy.
Why was Europe your first guess?
I was not gonna get
It should have been
Europe from
Africa.
France.
Should have been
I think
Africa.
your Eiffel
I
Tower.
wasn't thinking.
Darian done chose Africa earlier. Well, I ain't gonna say Africa or France.
I was trying to
I mean,
think
it's
of like
one of the 7
what's
continents.
over there.
What's in
Johnny, can we get a score update?
What would I say?
All right. So right now, oof, they killing y'all. 21-6.
Oh, really?
Listen,
Yeah.
It didn't seem like that.
I'm old.
You know,
It's
because y'all
everybody
both
has
started
old
off
games.
strong.
The password is humble.
Y'all was real even,
That's
but they
okay.
just came in out of nowhere. All right.
Try. Come on, try.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
The time is ticking.
It's actually pretty hard. Not use 2 words.
I know what 2 words you want to use.
Give your partner a
Exactly.
clue.
You gotta give me something, bro.
Tattoo. Just say I can do it.
Hey, bro. All right.
Did he give an answer? Okay, Ashley, you gotta say
I thought you said you can give an
I thought time
answer
was
even
up. I
after
thought
it
time
beat.
was
Oh.
up.
Charlie.
This is
Listen
crazy.
to his words.
Hey, you can't.
No answer.
Okay. Charlie. Bro.
Yes, sir.
Student?
No.
She guessed. She guessed.
She did guess.
Forearm.
What this man is doing?
I ain't even saying
No
that.
gestures.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my.
Okay, y'all get that. Y'all get that.
And I did look over at
As
his
soon,
arm,
bro, as soon as he
As soon as
said
I said
tattoo,
tattoo,
I like
should've
looked at
went-
his arm, bro.
But I
It
said
was
it too late.
crazy.
Never mind.
He said
That's it.
But yeah.
I thought I said
If
tattoo.
somebody
I think
said
How many points
humility,
was
I
that?
was gonna call it.
The password is experiment.
Cause we had the first one.
Yeah, it was for 25-6. I mean, it's game either way, but I'm gonna let y'all do y'all.
Yeah,
Go
appreciate
ahead.
it. No mercy, man.
Remember that solid.
Your time has started, Ashley.
Oh, lab.
Lab? Mm-hmm. Scientist.
Testing.
Computer?
No.
Dang. Chemical.
Your time is running out, sweetie. Point value was also at 4.
I don't know. I don't have a guess.
Mixing. Or just
Our clues is actually pretty good.
think about this, bro.
Nick.
Nate. NASA?
No.
How'd you get mixing from NASA?
I don't know, bro. That lab is throwing me off.
Point value was at 2.
Let's see. Data?
A report?
No.
I have no clue, dude. Like,
Point value was at 1. I mean, the game is decided, but you know, I'm gonna let y'all have at it.
okay, I don't
Science.
Slick comments.
Science.
I don't know, bro.
Just guess.
We won. Yeah, just guess anyway, bro. We won. We gave y'all some good hits, dude.
We did give out. I would
Really
like
good
to
hints.
think
Experiment?
Oh my goodness!
At the last minute,
The last minute.
in the final hours, as if they didn't already win.
Like,
No
You
mercy
got it.
rule.
The word
No mercy
was,
rule right here, you know what I'm saying?
was experiment. Final
Say,
score.
get it back in
26
blood.
to 6.
Get it back in blood.
Can't win all of them. I'm sorry. Our winners over here, y'all got something quick y'all want to say?
Get it back in blood, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
To my daughter, I love you.
Oh, whatever.
All right, that was a good game of Ram Password. We got our winners over here. Join us next time. Maybe you'll see some fresh faces. We out.
Ram Password is a production of the Communication and Media Studies Department. Johnny Sunshine speaking.